The importance of breakfast for a healthy lifestyle. Discover why breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day. It refuels your body, enhances your mood, and improves your concentration. As said by experts, eating a good breakfast can be quick and easy. A healthy breakfast is the foundation of a healthy diet. As said by nutritionists, breakfast helps you maintain a healthy weight. A good breakfast provides you with benefits that last the entire day. Let's take you to a global breakfast tour with famous recipes from around the world. Join us on a mouth-watering journey as we explore these famous and nutritious breakfast recipes from different countries. Indulge in a traditional Japanese breakfast with steamed rice, miso soup, grilled fish, pickles, and nori seaweed. Experience the vibrant flavors of Mexico with huevos rancheros topped with salsa, avocado, and crumbled queso fresco. Savor a classic French breakfast of café au lait, freshly baked croissants, butter and jams. Delight in the flavors of India with fluffy idlis. Taste the traditional Egyptian breakfast of full medams, served with pita bread, eggs, and fresh vegetables. Enjoy a classic American breakfast of fluffy pancakes, crispy bacon, a cup of freshly brewed coffee. Experience the deliciousness of South Korea with bibimbap, a dish of rice, vegetables, meat, and a fried egg on top. Discover new flavors and start your day off right with these famous breakfast recipes from around the world.